Hi guys, this is a review of the Hoover Dynamic Next 10 kilo tumble dryer. Okay, so we have some pretty good buttons up here which give you some idea of delay, start pause, time selection, drying, best ironing, memory, and then you have all your little bits and bobs. But the one big problem is this water reservoir. Now we've had this tumble dryer for 2 years, and this is the 5th time we've had to replace the reservoir. And this is why. It's a design fault. The water cools down, the water heats up, the plastic gets brittle, it cracks, and it gets everywhere. Gets into your lint, filter, which then gets into your machine, which then goes into the back, which takes months to dry out. Now, it's a good tumble dryer, everyone, don't get me wrong, but if you're going to have to pay 20 quid every single time you want a replacement, that's an extra output you have to make. So weigh it up. What do you think?